In this video, we're going to show how to replace the tie rod end on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located in the front steering system. Using your 19mm socket, loosen and remove the lug nuts. Once we have all the lug nuts removed, go ahead and grab the wheel, remove that, and set it aside. Loosen this bolt here for this clamp. We're going to use our 15mm socket. Use your pliers, and you want to go ahead and remove this cotter pin. I'm going to bend these cotter pin legs over. What we want to do is go ahead and tap that cotter pin out if we can. You can grab the head of that cotter pin, maybe you could pull it out. You can pinch and rock that. Now, cotter pins are a one-time use. So just get it out any way you can and then get rid of it. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead and loosen and remove that nut. I'm just going to thread that nut on just a little bit. Now we're going to use our hammer and strike the knuckle here to release that tie rod end. I want to go ahead and remove this here. Counting the full amount of revolutions it takes to remove it, we're going to install the new one with the same amount of turns. Install the new tie rod end. We put some anti-seize compound on the threads here. And we're using a 21mm wrench on this unit here to go ahead and thread that in. I'll go ahead and use this to line up our tie rod end. Go ahead and get that nut started a few threads. Let's go ahead and snug that down. We're using an 18mm on this nut. Torque it to 35 foot-pounds. Then you want to pay attention to the hole in the ball joint stud. Now if the castle nut is blocking the hole, which ours is, go ahead and continue to tighten it until the next window. Never loosen it to get it to line up. Make sure that opening is available, and then we'll go ahead and install our cotter pin. Go ahead and install your cotter pin. Fold over one of the tabs. Tap that down and cut off the excess. Tighten down the adjuster clamp. Torque the adjuster clamp bolt to 30 foot-pounds. At this point here, install your wheel, bring the vehicle down to get your alignment performed. Install the wheel. Once you have the wheel in place, we're going to start all of our lug nuts by hand. Let's go ahead and snug those down. Torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.